Hey guys, Boo617, welcome back to the channel. So, if y'all remember, I ordered those Resonators test pipes. Guess what? They are in, and I'm putting them in today, baby, today. So, I'm going to show you what they're all about, how they look, how they feel. I haven't opened the box yet. I'm not going to go too much on unboxing or anything because we already did that once to the other test pipes. So, you guys know the gist of test pipes. If y'all go check out that video, let's do it. All right, guys, so I just opened the box. Let's see what comes in it. We got two test pipes here. Let's take this one out. Let me take this foam out real quick. All right, so with that off, now we can go and see these resonated test pipes. So there goes the resonator. Those are test pipes. Let me check out the welds. Pretty decent welds. Let's see, this is where the O2 sensor goes. You know what? I'm gonna probably put the extenders that came with the other test pipes to get it out more, so hopefully I don't get no Turk engine lights. And hopefully, I think it should fit. I mean, all in all, it's pretty solid. Hopefully with this kit, I'm able to achieve the sound I'm looking for. Here's the hardware. All right, guys, let's do it. So guys, we are on our way to the shop now. I want to see if y'all could hear the rattle rasp noise that I'm talking about. Let me see. You hear that? I don't know if the mic can pick that up. Hear that? Hopefully with these resonators takes care of that problem, because if not, I'm really gonna be running out of options, guys. Really. Let's see what happens. Just got to the shop, about to put in some work, baby. Woo. Out with the old, baby.
What do you say?
New. Oh. All right, this is gonna be the official restart. Dale, with the resonator test pipes. All right, guys, so I just put the new test pipes in. I'm on my way now back to Luz Custom Exhaust so they can add the flex pipes, because right now putting that was a bit of a B word, if you know what I mean, because everything is so tight. There's no flex at all on those pipes. So I'm on my way now to Luz Custom Exhaust, get those flex pipes installed, and I think we good, baby. It sounds better. Not even gonna lie. Sounds better. Sounds better. Even on those mid-range RPMs, it sounds closer. It sounds real good. It sounds good. It sounds the way I wanted it to. So I just need to get this nice and loose. It will be good. See you over there. We are back at Luz, getting them flex pipes put back in. All right, guys. So I finally finished the project. And listen. I think that's about right. Finally I could say, you know what? Sounds the way I wanted it to. Real aggressive, not trumpety, no rattlings. It took a lot of money, a lot of trial and error, but I got it to the exact specs that I wanted it. A lot of people might have liked the other sound of just the DNA with the test pipes, and I didn't like it because it was too low. But it was good. On high RPMs, it sounded good. It was a good sound. It was just, I don't know, it didn't catch anyone's attention, and that's what this car is about, right? Catching your attention. Heard that? Anyways, guys, that was a crazy trial and error these past few months, trying to get this exhaust the right way that I wanted it. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and check out my other videos. If you haven't followed this build yet, check those out. So it's a lot of work that we've been putting into this car. Check it out, Boo Boo 607.